In this course, you will learn to design seismic-resistant buildings using SAP2000 and ETABS software. You will get an end-to-end experience on performing dynamic analysis for 20-plus story buildings. You will learn to determine and apply the seismic loads on tall buildings and interpret the results for safety. As part of the course, you will also learn to perform linear and non-linear dynamic analysis using time history and response spectrum method. The course is based on Skyfi Lab's Learn, Do, Review methodology, which ensures your learning of technical concepts, in addition to developing the project with your own hands. A topic like structural analysis can only be mastered by building projects, and Skyfi Labs makes the process super easy for you. Get course access instantly, upon enrollment, and you can finish the project within 1 week from anywhere on Earth, and earn a certificate. With Skyfi Labs, you will not just build the project with a definite output but also learn the concepts, so you can easily crack the interviews with confidence. Enroll today, and start learning by building projects.